Okay, Namaste everybody. Dhanyavad. Thanks a lot for joining in the session. Today is the fourth day of the session since we started from 1st February. Make sure you have enough space around you. You know your surroundings, you know your body. So do as much as your body is allowing. At any time, if it's hurting, just come back to normal position and then basically continue. Do not overdo. Okay, just listen to your body and do as much as your body is allowing you to do. Okay. So we'll just start with our routine. We'll do the loosening of the joints. So we'll start with neck. So neck right to left slowly. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. One more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. One more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Your shoulders back. Make a big circle slowly. Forward. Thumb rule is when your chest is expanding, breathe in. When chest is contracting, breathe out. Okay. Arms forward. Make a big circle. Arms touching your ears when they come up. Backward. Hands on your shoulder. Forward first. Bicep touching your ears. Then elbows touching. Then go back. Your shoulder blades touching. Reverse backwards. Your elbows up and down. Rotate your elbows in one direction. Other direction. Your wrists in one direction first. Change direction. Your fingers. Okay, now hands on your waist. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Head and feet still. Pivot your waist around your body. Other way around. Okay, hands on your knees, just above your knees, and rotate your knees. Keep your feet still together. Rotate clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, now open, close, open, close, open, close. Outside in, other way around. Okay, now stand up and lift up your right leg. Rotate your ankles in one direction. You can hold your waist if you want, or just hold on to something. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change leg. Rotate in one direction first. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Just shake your body. Now the next one is we'll just do raising the pulse. So start jogging slowly. Keep jogging. Keep jogging. I'll just turn the light on. Just jog around the space. Increase the speed, arm movements and leg movements. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. High knees. Heels to back. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Start jumping. Pretend forward skipping. Backward skipping. Normal jumping. Star jump. Normal jumping. And then slow down and stop. Shake your legs. Your calf muscles must be stiff. Just loosen them up. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. We'll do breathing activity. Your feet together, palm open on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold and breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, next one we'll do Satat Yoga, continuous movement. Yesterday we did side, today we'll do front. So front 16 times left, 16 times right, both 16 times, and then up, and then combination of all four, okay? Left, right, both and up. Feet together, palm on your side. Satat Yoga, Prakar Do, Sthiti. Satat Yoga, Karo. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left, right, both up. Left, right, both up. Check your legs. Just your hands together, join them. Arms up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Okay. Next one, we'll do wood chopper breath. Spread your legs, just shoulder width apart. Pretend like you're holding axe. Okay. Deep breathe in, arms up, and then chop with exhale through your mouth. Okay. Like this, 10 times at your own pace. When you're done, just stand up, relax, hold your breath if you can, because we supplied lots of oxygen to our blood. Just relax. Last breath is Brahmari, Bhastrika, pumping one. So fist on your side, arms up, breathe in, down, breathe out, deep breathe in, breathe out on via nose only. Okay, close your mouth and start 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Kuru. Then hold your breath. Now your body must be warmed up nicely from inside and outside both. We'll do some dynamic stretches before we move on to Surya Namaskar. So just come back to normal. Neck up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Back to front, to left. Front, right, front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, right side, ear to shoulder, right arm across, push your shoulder joints, your elbows, your arm, left arm across, again push, can use your wrist, your hand, right arm up, push from elbow first, and try to hold back if you can. Your one side is always close, you can hold, stretch, other side sometimes difficult, left arm up, push first, and stretch. Okay. Now next one is sideways, 8 times, 4 times both side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll just put camera down. Spread your legs, roughly the length of your feet from waist to toe, heels. Right hand touching left palm, left ankle, left hand up, look up, and then similarly other side. 8 times, 4 for both side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you're here, you can either do this much or go down if you can. Hold your big toe, stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Breathe in up to other side. The main aim is to stretching calf muscles and hamstring. So do it. Breathe in up. We'll do two times both sides. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down to left. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down to left. Breathe in up. Okay, relax. Take your right leg in front. Keep your back leg bent. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring nicely. Touch the floor. And then sweep the floor with the hands. Get your right leg a bit further forward. Touch the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch, stretch. Breathe in up. Change. Left leg in front. Hold your big toe. Bend your back leg. Touch the floor. Stretch nicely. Calf muscles and hamstring. Now swing your arms on the floor. Get a bit further forward. Touch the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Hold. Back to normal. And then just relax, rest. I'll just check on. Just relax, stand up in Samasthiti, and then some breathe in, breathe out. So palms on your side and deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so now we'll move on to Surya Namaskar. So we are nicely warmed up. We stretch our body as well. So we will just continue Surya Namaskar. It will be on music. So follow my instructions for the Surya Namaskar Siddhi. It will be 3 count, heels together, palms together, and Namaskar. Okay. So I'll play the music. I will be changing the angle.
Surya Namaskar.
Join your heels, your toes, and your palm. Listen.
सदा सवितुमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजासनसन्निविष्ट हरि हिरण्मयवपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्र
Get ready. Okay, so first one I'll show you. Ek, breathe in up. This is the position. I'll just put the camera down for all the next ones. Do, breathe out, down, touch the floor. Left leg back, 3, breathe in. Right leg back, 4, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hips up. 6, breathe in, come forward like cobra. 7, breathe out. Go back, heels touching the floor. Left leg will come forward. 8, and breathe in, right leg forward, breathe out, and then does. Breathe in, normal, breathe in, breathe out. Guru, breathe in, ek, up, go up, breathe out, toe, down. Now right leg back, breathe in, right leg back, left leg back, breathe out. Plank position, keep it straight. 5, hold your breath, forehead, chest, knees touching the floor. 6, breathe in, cobra, come forward. 7, breathe out, downward dog, heels touching the floor. Right leg will come forward. 8, breathe in, left leg forward, breathe out. 10, breathe in, normal, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in up, breathe out, down, touch the floor, keep your knees straight, left leg back, breathe in, look up, right leg back, breathe out, keep a straight line from head to heels, hold your breath. 5, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. 6, breathe in up, cobra. 7, breathe out, down, downward dog, heels touching the floor. Left leg will come forward. 8, breathe in, right leg forward. 9, breathe out. Now does, breathe in, back to normal, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, down, Utthanasan. Right leg back, breathe in, Ekapada Prasarnasan. Left leg back, breathe out, Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath, Ashtangasan. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, 6, Bhujangasan. Breathe out, down, downward dog, heels touching the floor. Right leg will come forward, breathe in. Ekapada Prasarnasan. Left leg come forward, breathe out. Utthanasan. Back to up. Namaskarasan. Normal, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, ek breathe in up. दो breathe out down, Uttanasana. 3 left leg back, breathe in. 4 right leg back, breathe out. 5 hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. 6 breathe in, Bhujangasana. 7 breathe out, downward dog. Left leg will come forward. 8 breathe in, look up. 9 breathe out, right leg forward. And then 10 back to up, Namaskarasan. Breathe in, breathe out. Those who are new, just copy me and then slowly do it. Okay, ek breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Look towards your palms, arms on your side, touching your ears. Bend on your back. Do breathe out down. Now right leg will go back. 3 breathe in to the knee, back knee touching the floor. 4 left leg back. Breathe out. Keep it straight. 5 hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hips up. 6 breathe in. Come forward. Get your waist between your arms. 7 breathe out. Go back all the way. Heels touching the floor. Right leg will come forward. 8 breathe in. Try to look up. Your left leg knee touching the floor. Back leg. 9 left leg forward. Breathe out. 10 back to Namaskarasan. And then normal breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out down, Uttanasan. Breathe in left leg back, Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe out right leg back, hold Chaturanga Dandasan. 5 hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. 6 breathe in, Bhujangasana. 7 breathe out, heels touching the floor, downward dog. Left leg will come forward. 8 breathe in, Ekapada Prasannasan. Right leg forward, Uttanasan. Breathe out. 10 breathe in, up, Namaskarasan. Okay, breathe in up, ek. Breathe out down, Uttanasan. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hold your breath. Your hips should be up. 6 breathe in. Get your waist between your arms. Look up. Nice cow. Keep your heels together. Knees touching the floor, thighs as well. Breathe out. Go back. Heels touching the floor. Chin touching your neck. Right leg will come forward. Breathe in. Again, push your lower back forward. Look up. 9. Breathe out. Left leg forward. Keep your knees straight. 10 back to up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. This one I will check on you now after the mantra. Okay, ek, breathe in up, go all the way up. Do breathe out down, touch the floor. 10, your left leg back, breathe in. 4, right leg back, breathe out. 5, hold your breath, forehead, chest, knees touching the floor. 6, breathe in, come up like cobra, snake. 7, go all the way back, heels touching the floor, breathe out. Your chin tucked into your neck. Keep looking up. 8, left leg forward, breathe in. Keep it between your arms, look up if you can, push your lower back. 9, breathe out, right leg forward, keep your knees straight and your knee, forehead, try to touch your knee at least or below your knee. And then back to Namaskarasan, normal breathe in, breathe out. That's good. Most of you are doing it good.
Savitri Namaha.
Okay, breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, down, Utthanasan. Keep your knees straight. Right leg back. Breathe in. Look up. Left leg back. Breathe out. Look in front now. This is a plank one. 5, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hold your breath. 6, breathe in up. 7, breathe out, down. Heels touching the floor. Right leg will come forward. 8, breathe in up. 9, left leg forward. Breathe out. 10, breathe in up. So as your chest is expanding, breathe in. Chest contracts, breathe out. Only on 5, when you go down, we hold our breath. This is a thumb rule. Try to remember.
Arkaya Namaha.
Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hold your breath. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, down. Heels touching the floor. Left leg come forward. Breathe in. Right leg forward. Breathe out. Come up. Breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out.
Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, down. Go back. Right leg come forward. Breathe in. Here, try to get your leg, in between your arms, if possible. 90-degree means when it's like this, but you push, go forward. Left leg forward. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Last 2.
Shri Savitru Surya Narayana Namaha.
This is the last one with the mantra. Breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, down, Utthanasan. Left leg back, breathe in. Ekapada Prasannasan. Right leg back, breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasan or Ashtangasan. Breathe in, Cobra, Bhujangasan. Breathe out, Downward Dog. Left leg forward. Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe in. Right leg forward. Breathe out. Does back to Namaskarasan. Hold your breath. And then back to Namaskar. We'll do 2 more now. We'll do 15. And then we'll do ending slok. Okay. So this one we'll try to do a bit faster, but not very fast. Okay. So start. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Come up. Breathe out, downward dog. Heels touching the floor. Right leg forward. Breathe in. Look up. Left leg forward. Breathe out. Keep your knees straight. Forehead under knee and your knees. Does breathe in, normal. Breathe in, breathe out. One more now. 15th one. So keep normal, breathe in, breathe out. Then exhale. Then breathe in up. Breathe out, down, left, touching the floor. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up all the way. Come forward, cobra. Breathe out. Your heels touching the floor. Back. Your chin touching your neck. Left leg forward. Breathe in. Right leg forward, breathe out. Back to Namaskarasan. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now we'll do the ending shlok. You can be here in this position and just listen to the music. Keep breathing in, breathing out.
आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने आयुः प्रज्ञाबलं वीर्यम् तेजस्तेषां च जायते
Rama. Ek, do, तीन. Just relax. Just just if you can take 30-second break. If you want to drink water, sip of water, just if you're sweating, just get ready. We'll do some yoga poses after this now. If you have any questions on the positions or anything, message me directly. I think most of you know me, so I can explain. We try to do the Surya Namaskar in a actual speed, not slow or not very fast. Okay, so when you're done, come back. So today we'll be doing standing up yoga, most of them, but prasarit, all prasarit, spread leg, wide legged one. So most of them will be in this position. There are lots of them. So see how many we can cover today. Okay, so just come back. When you are back, then I will start. So I'll put the camera down. So roughly the distance is, how much is your length of the feet from waist to the toe sole. That is the distance between your heels, roughly. Otherwise, if you are not comfortable, you can reduce. But when you're standing like this, you should feel stretch on your side, hamstrings here, and then some stretch on your calf muscles as well. So we'll start with simple one, Trikonasana, triangle pose. So this one we'll do the regular one. So your feet are facing in front, simple. Palms, hands parallel to the floor now. We'll start with right side. Okay. So now push your body towards right side from your waist, bend, but keep your arms parallel to floor. Go as much as you can, and then slowly try to touch your hand onto your feet. It can be anywhere. It can be anywhere from knee to ankle or on the floor, depending upon your flexibility. So just do as much as your body is allowing you to. Wherever it touches, once it touches, go down. Don't come forward like this. Keep your body in one line, and then left hand up, go down if you can, and then at the end, look up. So this is the position. Stay here for three count. तीन, दो, एक. While we are here, we'll do reverse triangle as well. Revolve triangle, Parivruta Trikonasana. So this left hand come, get it down, and right hand up, and look up, back, if you can, or at least touch on your feet. Try to keep it straight and look back onto your palm of the which is up in the air. This is revolved triangle pose, Paribhuta Trikonasana. Come back to normal, just relax, up, up. You can just get your feet up and relax, shake, and then again go back in between. We'll do on other side now. Again, hands parallel to the floor. Try to do as much as your body is allowing. Okay, don't overdo at all. Left, go push your body towards left side, left, and then when it's enough, then go sideways, touch the feet wherever you can on your calf muscle, knees or ankle or on the floor. The other hand up, perpendicular if you can. Look up. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly revolve one. So the up hand which is up, touch the floor, and the left hand will go up and look up from the back. Here you can touch the floor, look back on the palm, which is up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly breathe out, come back, come back, relax. You must be feeling nice pressure on your hamstring, calf muscles, and different pose gives more stretch onto different part of the body. Now next one is Anjaneyasana, high lunge position. So change your body onto left side, both feet on the left side, your body pelvis onto left side. Now your right, if you're looking at left side, your right knee touching the floor, two hands, join your palms up and bend backward. 3, 2, 1. This is Anjaneyasana, high lunge position. Now just lift up your back leg. Try to keep your entire feet on the floor now. Hands still up. Now don't bend your knee. Both feet facing left side. Hands joined up. Arms on your side of the ear. Stretch upwards. This is Virabhadrasana Prakar Ek, Warrior 1. You can just push your body from your lower back down 90-degree in front feet. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly take your right hand parallel to the floor and move your feet as well as you are doing. Move your feet in front. This one you can put sideways. This one in front, 90-degree on the feet. Now both hands parallel to the floor, 90-degree on the left hand. Now slowly just look onto left side, onto your fingertip, middle finger of the left hand. This is Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana Prakar Do. Stay here. You'll feel nice stretch onto your hip joints, onto your thigh in front. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. We'll do one more in this on this side, left side, reverse warrior. Right hand touching your knee, left hand up. Go all the way if you can. Make nice curve onto your left side and look up onto your left hand, which is up. This right hand touching your knee or calf muscle. Look up. This is revolved warrior pose, reverse warrior pose, Virabhadrasana, Parivruta Virabhadrasana. Look up, look up. Slowly, left hand down. This you must be feeling lots of stretch on your thighs up. So that's the purpose. And if we stay more, we get more benefit. But if it's hurting, just come back and do it again. Now go on to right side. Both feet touching the right side nicely. Okay, left. Make a 90-degree in front foot. Knee touching the floor. Your toe, you're on your toe. Join your hands and go back, 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 back bend. Look towards your palm. This is like number 8 of Surya Namaskar. Keep your palms together. Anjaneya Asana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly, your body straight, perpendicular to the floor. Lift up your back leg. Your entire feet touching the floor, heels as well. Try to touch them. Knees straight now. Front leg is still 90-degree. Hands, palms together. Look in front. Go forward if you can, 90-degree. Nice. This is Virabhadrasana Prakar Ek, Warrior 1. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly left hand back, right hand on your right side and left leg facing front. 90-degree between the right leg and left leg like this. Both hands parallel to the floor, palm facing down. Look in front first. Keep your 90-degree on your right leg. Go down if you can. Left leg, entire feet touching the floor, heels, palm, heels, sole and toes. Go on your right side. Now just tilt your neck onto right side. Concentrate on your middle finger of the right hand on the fingertip. This is Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana Prakar Do. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, Do, ek. Now reverse warrior, left hand down on your knee, on your thighs or on your calf muscles. Right hand up, look up. Keep your body in one line, bend on sideways. Keep looking at the palm of your hand which is up, right hand. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down, down. Get your feet close. Relax, just relax. We'll just do one more. Yeah, there are still some more, but we'll do the one more, which is called wide-legged forward fold. Since we are doing wide-legged asanas, we shouldn't be missing that. It's Prasarita Padottanasana in Sanskrit. Again, the same distance. Okay, breathe in first. Breathe out, go down, down, down. There are different variations. You can touch the floor in front of you. And if you want, you can spread as well your feet and forehead or back of the top of the head touching the floor. If you can do as much your body is allowing. If it's this much, do this much. It's okay. If you can touch, then touch. 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Get your feet a bit up. Hold your ankles if you can. And again, bend forward. Head down. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. You'll feel nice stretch onto your side of the hamstring and calf muscles. Slowly up. Breathing up. Let's back to normal. Get it up slowly, slowly. If you're doing, with nice proper spread, you must be feeling nice stretches onto your side. Just now sit down. Before we move on to pranayam, if you want to take sip of water or just 30-second break. So we'll start with our normal breathing. Is the Omkar. Is that pranayam also called Udgit? Okay, Udgit means we are pronouncing Om. So we'll do 2 times. Now again, mudra position is this is Jnana Mudra. Your index finger force onto your thumb. You have to literally force, not nails, but the tip of the finger. Hands on your knees. You can close your eyes. The first one will do the normal breathe in and then Omkar. When we say Om, it should be A, U, and Ma, all 3 letters. We'll do 2 times. Deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Try to prolong the M, the Ma. That way we are strengthening our stamina, lungs, stamina. Deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is one of the best pranayam. So we deep breathe in first to begin with, and then continuously exhale through your nose, 1 per second. Those who know, you can start while I'm talking about it. If you're new and you don't know how to do it, you can keep your palm near your tummy and then use push it and exhale. Only thing moving is your tummy, but if you're using your hand, then your hand as well. When you exhale, your body inhales for you as well automatically if you are healthy enough. But if you have any heart problem or blood pressure, then you can inhale as well like this, 1 per second. Keep doing it. Ideally we should be able to do it as long as we can, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, but why with practice we can longer this. So no part of the body should be moving. Shoulders still, hands still, knees still, back still. Only tummy is inhaling, exhaling. Okay, when you are done, just stop. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Today we'll talk about three bandhas, three locks. The locks basically they are very useful for different pranayam. Instead of doing those pranayam, today we'll learn about them. There are three locks. Neck is called Jalandhar Bandh. Then your tummy is called Udyan Bandh, and then pelvic area bottom is called Mool Bandh. Okay, so we'll start with neck bandh. So what we do, we'll just deep breathe in first, and then breathe out through your nose, roughly 5 seconds. And when you exhale completely, put your neck down, your chin near your chest or near your kantaku, and then lock completely. This is exhale, no air in the body, and then hold it as long as you can, roughly 10 seconds if you can at least. So 5 second breathe in, 5 second breathe out, and 10-second hold. When you think you need to breathe in, then slowly open your lock and breathe in. We'll do one more time before we do the Udyan Bandh, the bandh on your tummy, on your solar plex. So deep breathe in, breathe out again 5 second long, complete empty, then lock. Stay here for longer time. You must be feeling something in your tummy, So that is what we are trying to achieve. It works on the internal organs of our body. Then if you need to breathe in, open the lock and normal breathe in without. Now next one is your tummy area, the Udyan Bandh. So here we'll just keep our neck straight, but we'll just lock our entire chest, your solar plex, your tummy. So deep breathe in 5 second. Breathe out 5 second. When you breathe out, now lock. Lock means try to touch your tummy, front tummy towards your back if you can. So try that. When you do this, then it's locks. Udyan Bandh, roughly 10 seconds. When you think you need to breathe in, open the lock, breathe in. We'll do one more time. So deep breathe in, breathe out 5 seconds again, and now lock. Your front part of the tummy, touch, push it inside, and then stretch, lock it. And now when you need to breathe in, breathe in. The next lock is uh, Moola Bandh, the pelvic lock, where it's our groin, or when we feel like doing 1 number or 2 number toilet, and if we don't know if we can't find a toilet, we hold ourselves, right? So that type of hold we should be able to do to our pelvic area, our groin. So we'll do 2 times. Deep breathe in, breathe out again 5 seconds, then lock the pelvic area, the groin area, hold it. It should be below your tummy, below your navel. Hold it, hold it. Then slowly release. Breathe in. One more time. Deep breathe in. Breathe out. And then lock. Only the pelvic area below your navel, around your groin. Squeeze them and then slowly breathe in. Last one, we'll do all three locks. Okay, neck, your tummy area, and your pelvic area as well. We'll do one time. So deep breathe in. When you exhale, lock your neck, your tummy, and your pelvic. All three locks. We'll do 10 seconds. Breathing up. Raise your hand, brush your palms. Keep your eyes closed. Make them warm enough for your palms. Then make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Hold for 1 second while the body temperature of the palm and hands or face becomes same. Then massage your eyes gently with your fingers. Then forehead, massage your forehead gently with your fingers. Then side of the forehead above your ear, back of the neck. And then coming to Namaskar Siddhi, we'll be doing the Vishwa Prarthana, the prayer for all. You just say it in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavad. Thanks a lot for joining in. I'll just stop the recording.